So this morning we're going to cook some scrambled eggs. This is full of eggs right now and they're hopefully liquid still, with some sweet potato, which is frozen, as you can see. So we're going to have to try and batten that with our knife, with a bit of toast. And then I've got some pumpkin seeds here to go on top as well. So it's a version of one of the breakfasts that we do on our kayaking trips in the archipelago in the summer. But it's super cold this morning. I'm very, very cold. So I'm going to get a cup of coffee going. I've been able to split the sweet potato in half, and now I'm just going to try and batten off some nice, perfectly even chunks or slices. Find the prettiest chunks. Oil. Throw these on so they start thawing out as well as cooking. I think I'm going to go for nice thin pieces as well so they cook through pretty quick. Oh, so good. That's it. Thomas is off photographing Linda cut holes in the ice. Trying to collect some water for some coffee and some breakfast. So I've been left to both cook and film now as well. What I'm doing is I'm just boiling up the rest of the water because these are almost done, and once they are done I'm going to put them into this pot down here underneath and then keep them warm, and then we're going to do the eggs on top up here as well. But I don't want to waste the water. So yeah, that's probably good enough to pour another coffee. Oh, I'm not going to have enough hands for this. Another one. Potatoes are almost done. Everybody's getting some sugar in them though. Try to keep warm. Thomas was looking at the weather report this morning and it's around -20 or so, which is quite cold. So these potatoes are pretty much done now, and then once I put them in there I'm going to scramble some eggs from this bottle here, and a little bit of butter that's down there as well. Warm up, as long as it's not frozen. Eggs turned out. This is going to be the big test. They were pretty much solid ice last night in the thermos when I popped them in my sleeping bag with me, so I was sleeping with a solid thing of ice all evening. It was oh, some liquid in there. Ah, top job. Look at that. Pop those on for a second to warm up. I've got this kind of umami spice mix, so it's like dried mushrooms, salt, cumin, and a few different kind of spices and stuff, all around the feeling of umami. So I'm just going to add some of that in here, give it a nice bit of saltiness. sweet potato, scrambled eggs, some bread and some pumpkin seeds on top. It's nice, fresh, healthy breakfast. You can eat this one first, Thomas. As I ate last night.
Really good.
Yeah?
It's really good.
Nice to have some warm breakfast in the morning. Now it's time for me to eat some breakfast. End up getting so cold when you're hungry, and it takes so much energy to keep you warm. You know, especially this morning, waking up after quite a cold sleep last night. Everybody was feeling super hungry. We ate, while I was cooking that, we ate quite a bit of chocolate on the side as well, just to try and get a bit of sugar into our systems. I'm just currently sitting in our tent, as you can see, and it's quite a nice view out of the tent with a little kitchen there.